Hey, today I'm going to show you how you can view your analytics for a specific reel on Instagram. So it's very simple to do here. We want to open up the app and then we want to select on the bottom right hand corner down here to get to our personal profile page. And then you want to be just tapping on whichever reel you want to see the analytics for. So I'll just go ahead, select the first one here. Now you may end up having this little piece of information down on the bottom here where it says view insights. If you don't have that, it's probably because you're not updated to the current iOS or you're not on an updated version of Instagram. And if you're not, you can go ahead and just select the three horizontal lines in the upper right hand corner. It'll bring up this menu and then you want to go to where it says insights. Now, once we are inside here, it's going to give us a very much more detailed breakdown of our analytics. And again, if you haven't caught on so far, Instagram doesn't actually call it analytics, they call it insights. So it's the same thing though. We can see the views here. It breaks it down from followers to non-followers. So this helps you figure out whether or not your reel actually reached people's Explorer page. It'll also break down the watch time. How many hours and or minutes have people actually spent watching this? It'll also show you the average. And then kind of cool feature here, you can flip between all as far as like the pass rate goes, or you can go to viewers, so or your followers. So you can actually see, well, did your followers like this one as much as they like your other ones? If you look at my analytics here, clearly they did. It's 62% in comparison to my typical reel when it comes to my followers is 58.8% in comparison to my non-followers actually seemed to like my other reels more than they liked this one. So hopefully this video helped you out. If it did, please like and subscribe and I'll see you next time.